Hi, I'm Russell Gopitz from the Bicycle Planet. Today I'm going to show you how to change your bike chain. Tools you're going to need for this job is the chain tool. Put the chain tool on the chain. Tighten down the pin so it makes flush contact with the rivet, and then tighten it down. What it's going to do is push that rivet out the back side of the chain, and then back the tool off. And then just give the chain a little pull. And pull the chain off the bike. The new chain you buy is probably going to be longer than the chain you currently have on the bike. Just break it anywhere to the same length as your existing chain. Just feed the chain through the derailleur properly. Then also through the front derailleur. And then clip the chain back together. Then insert a new chain pin. Make sure you put the bevel end in first. Put your chain tool back on. As the new chain pin pushes through, it'll push out the old pin. Then you just keep tightening it down until the new pin is inside the chain. The guide pin is pushed out all the way on the other side. Push it just enough that the pin is flush on the one side. Back off the chain tool, and you're left with the guide pin sticking out the other side. And then just use the other end of your chain tool on that guide pin and fold it sideways, and it'll shear right off. And that's all you need to do to replace your bike chain.